So this is a journal flip through of a project that I've been working on in Fodder School 4. I have been having so much fun taking this course. And last month, Megan Quinlan was the instructor. And if you've never seen her artwork, I will link to her in the comments. She's just so cute and so whimsical. And she walked us through making these really adorable little fodder journals. And the idea was like, if you have a lot of fodder laying around, that you can make these little journals with them. And I had a blast. And so Megan does these little moon faces. And so she showed us how to do those. And I just think they're so cute. And so I'm gonna do a little flip through. And if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Maggie. I am the artist and designer and owner at Whimsy and Wonder Creative Co. And yeah, check me out on Etsy. I sell printables and all kinds of cute stuff, and let's get started. So I used a bunch of my scrap, like this little pink piece of rickrack. If you've seen any of my recent videos, you've probably noticed I put rickrack on all my journals, and so I have like lots of little pieces laying around. Same with this little flower. It's left over from some journals I recently made, and we've been painting a couple of rooms in the house. And so I grabbed some paint chip samples from Sherwin-Williams and used those in here. So I was thinking too, you know, when I look back through this in the future, I'm going to remember where these came from. And that we are painting my daughter's room and my room this summer, and I've been drawing these little girls, and I just think they're so cute. I've been having so much fun with these. And I had all these extra little flowers and stuff, so I started putting them over their eyes, and I've been painting these cute little citrus fruits. They're just so much fun, and I've just been doing a bunch of them. There's little moon faces again, and most of my videos I start out with, hey y'all. So I got that out of an egg carton. And then we've been eating lots of lemons around here too. My daughter loves to make lemonade, so I've been like keeping the packagings from those. And I was like, oh, that goes my little fodders. And here's more of these girls that I've been doing. They're so adorable. And this is actually, this piece of paper is from the January project where we made a book of fodder with Liz Constable is her name. Again, super talented. That fodder school has been so much fun. And more little moon people, and I was having so much fun just doing little different things to them. And these are actually from a gift bag I got at the end of the school year from one of my students. And so again, like another little memory in here. And my daughter saw this one and she was like, that's your best girl yet. And I take that as a compliment because she is 9 and ruthless. She will tell you exactly what she thinks. And this is again another piece of that paper from the fodder books that we made. And this, and the artist name escapes me, and she's also just fantastic. In the free fodder challenge, she had us making these little cards, and so I decided to throw one in here too. It's my little moon people, and I have this little flower fodder that I bought ages ago and I didn't know what I was going to do with it, and so I've been trying to make my way through it. Another little citrus fruit and some of that fodder paper, and some of the fodder, this little butterfly and this little camera are from that fodder pack that I have too. And so I've been just using all of these little pieces of fodder I have left over. And this fabric I have had for ages. I made a baby shirt for my daughter. Like I said, she's 9. So I've had it for a really long time. This is just this gorgeous Joel Dewberry fabric that I covet, and I just had little pieces of that laying around, so I threw that in there. And then on the back, another little piece of my fodder, and I don't know if you can see, but it's a little damaged. It's because my dog grabbed it, and I decided to put that on the back, so I will have a little memory of her too. And that is it for today, because I've been super busy with repainting the house, and I got all new bedroom furniture. And if you've been watching my other videos, you might notice I have a completely different setup, and that is because I managed to find a way to have some natural lighting in my videos. So I'm very excited about that. All right, well, that is all for this time. Next time I will be sharing some fodder ideas for a Japanese themed journal that I'll be making. So I will see you next time. Bye.